We are into the last category of awards, which is the biggest honor of ICT Academy, which is the Partner Excellence Awards. This year onwards, we'll have 6 awards because we'll have a college representing Puducherry, who have been a new addition to ICT Academy. So the ICT Academy Partner Excellence Award for 2017, and in no particular order, please put your hands together from Francis Xavier Engineering College, Tirunelveli, Dr. Cletus Babu, the chairman of the institution, and his team to please come forward.
I'm really impressed by the wonderful service the ICT Academy is doing. And I would like to say that it has to be extended and continued much more than what it is. And I wish all the best. And once again, I thank you for this wonderful arrangement.
Thank you, sir. Starting next year is ICT Academy of Sri Lanka. He wants to go cross borders, right? Ladies and gentlemen, somebody whom I really look up to, I'm very delighted to see his name, Dr. Sridhar, the Chancellor of Kalasilingam University, Virudhunagar. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to Dr. Sridhar and his team. If you can please come forward.
This award is dedicated to our team of faculty members. So all the credit goes to our team only. It's not entitled to me at all. It's a great honor to us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for that short and sweet acceptance speech. Ladies and gentlemen, to the third winner, Sri Krishna College of Technology, Coimbatore, represented by Dr. Ramesh, the principal of the institution, and his team. Give it up for Sri Krishna College of Technology, Coimbatore.
So we, Sri Krishna College of Technology, are extremely thankful to ICT Academy for recognizing our partnership with ICT Academy. We want to continue our partnership with ICT Academy in the days to come, and we want to secure this award every year. Thank you.
So we'll reserve one slot for you every year, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, so next year onwards, only 5 awards will be given. Okay. That is a short and sweet. ICT Academy is a good academy. Ladies and gentlemen, for the fourth winner in this category, representing St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Kanyakumari, Father Maria Williams, the secretary of the institution, and his team to please come forward.
Good evening, all of you. It's indeed a nice occasion to receive this award. Thank you very much, ICTA. We are having a long and fruitful relationship with ICT. I think this is the 5th time we are getting this award. I'm really happy to say that. We've seen this growing and becoming really big. Their service is wonderful, and we have really received a lot from them with their cooperation, and we still need to continue with them. Thank you, all of you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, already 2 slots are taken up. 5 years in a row, somebody has won. So, let me invite Ms. Dr. Aisari Ganesh, Chancellor of Wales University, Chennai, to please come forward and collect the ICT Academic Partner Excellence Award.
Wonderful job by ICT Academy. I congratulate them and I thank them for selecting Wales University for this thing, and all the best to ICT Academy. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, we have a college from Puducherry. Please, second time rather, I'm sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to Acharya College of Engineering and Technology from Puducherry, Dr. Srimati and her team. Dr. Srimati, who is the director of this institution.
Many thanks to ICT Academy. We have been associating with them for the last 4 years in Pondicherry. Just one thought here to share with all of you. Their theme and essence is to innovate, collaborate, and educate. And we, as Acharya Group of institutions, want to empower minds and enrich lives. I think this is a very good hand-holding that is going on. And we are here to empower the minds and enrich lives through ICT's innovation, collaboration, and education. And this journey would continue for long. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam. Let's try for a group pick, followed by which we need a group pick with the chairman of the institution alone. So I would request the full team to stand up for a group pick. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. Okay, can I have a picture along with the chairman of the institution, chairman or the principal, one representative from each institution for a group pick, please. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Krishna College principal can smile a little bit. Yeah, thank you, sir. Great job.